This brand is made in China and can be purchased on Amazon. They are backed by a very good guarantee, but they have a limited drying capacity due to the fact that they use a Peltier module instead of a traditional refrigerant system. This makes them very quiet when they are running. They have a 0.5-gallon condensate tank so that the unit can run for up to 2 days between emptying, or they offer continuous drainage with the provided hose. This brand receives an overall 4-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy.